Okay, so someone made $20,000 from one web page. One page. And I need to talk about this because when I first heard that, I was like, okay, that's a cute thing to say on the internet. Then I actually looked at how it works and tried it myself. And I was genuinely a little annoyed because it's so simple that I cannot believe I haven't just been doing this the whole time. So that's what this video is. I'm going to break down exactly how this works, why it's the simplest online income method I've personally come across, and what you actually need to get started. And I'll tell you right now, there's no ad budget, no product to create, no audience required to begin, no customer service, no inventory, no refunds or sales calls. So just stay with me. I'm going to give you a sneak peek of exactly how it works if you stick to the end. Quick context on who I am and why I'm talking about this. I'm Annie. I run this channel, which is basically me documenting what it actually looks like to build real income online as a stay-at-home mom with a nap window as my office hours, which is usually about an hour a day, and approximately zero desire to build a business that runs my life. I've been online for a lot of years and I've tried a lot of things. And when I say that, I feel like most people say that and they're talking about like 3 things like drop shipping, TikTok shop, Amazon FBA. I've tried like 20 things. And the method I'm about to walk you through is actually the same method I use myself, except a million times simpler. So I'm not showing you something I found on the internet and thought looked cool. I'm showing you something that works. And then I'm going to tell you about the best resource I've found for learning it systematically. Okay, let's get into it. So here's the concept, and I want you to really stay with me because it sounds almost too simple, and that's going to make your brain want to dismiss it. You make one page. On that page, you talk about something people are already searching for, a product, a tool, a course, something people are already typing into Google or chat because they want to know more about it. You include a link to that product, and when someone clicks your link and buys, you earn a commission. That's it. You never touch the product. You never talk to the customer. You don't ship anything or handle returns or do customer service. The company handles all of that. You just get paid for sending them the person. That's it. That's the whole model. It's called affiliate marketing, but honestly, the name makes it sound more complicated than it is. It's just you recommend something, someone buys it, you get a cut. And the version of this I'm talking about today uses completely free traffic, meaning you're not spending money on ads. You're just putting a page in front of people who are already looking for what you're talking about. And we're not talking about 10% commissions on a $20 product like with Amazon. We're talking about 50%. So you're basically their partner. And we're talking about products that are $1,000 to $3,000. So do the math. Here's why the one page thing is so genius and also why most people never do it. Most people who try to make money online convince themselves they need a whole website or a whole blog with 50 posts, a massive social media following, a funnel with 14 steps, an email list of 20,000 people. And so they either spend months building all of that and burn out, or they look at everything they'd have to build and never start at all. One page removes all of that. You're not building an empire on day one. You're building one page, targeting one thing people are searching for with one link. That's a project you can actually finish. That's something a tired person with 2 hours on a Tuesday night can actually do. And then you can make another one and another one. And each page is just sitting there quietly doing its thing while you're doing yours. I want you to think of it like a little digital employee that works while you sleep and never asks for a raise. Now I want to be real with you because I don't do hype on this channel. The $20,000 figure, that's a real result from someone who built this over time. It's not you'll make 20 grand next Tuesday situation. It's a this method works and here's proof of what's possible when you work it consistently situation. There are people using this exact method making anywhere from their first $500 commission to thousands a month. Their range is wide because effort and consistency are still factors. But the model itself is sound, and the reason I feel comfortable talking about it is because it's the same thing I do. High ticket affiliate marketing is my jam. So there's a course called The Gold Mine, created by Jason and Donathan, who are both experienced affiliate marketers who have built this method out at a really high level. And here's what you actually get when you join. You get the full one-page method recorded step-by-step inside a members area so you can go through it at your own pace, which if you're a tired, normal person, you already know means a lot. No live calls you have to show up for, no deadlines, just the training waiting for you whenever your window opens. You get over a dozen done-for-you page templates so you're not starting from a blank screen, wondering what your page is supposed to look like. You get access to a private community so you're not doing this alone. You get full guided support, including a challenge they walk you through to get your first page up. And you get market research credits to help you find low competition topics your page can actually rank for, which is honestly one of the parts people get most stuck on. So having that built in is huge. The link to check out how it actually works is in the description, and you'll get to see how it works from the creators themselves. I'm also going to link it in the comments. I just want to say one more thing before you go. If you've been trying to figure out how to make money online and every single thing you've looked at has felt overwhelming or expensive or like it requires a version of you that has way more time and energy than you actually have, this is the thing I keep coming back to. Not because it's magic, but because it's simple enough to actually start and do. And if you're like me, starting is the only thing that separates the people who eventually figure this out from the people who are still watching YouTube videos about it 5 years from now. One page. You can do one page.